Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see AutoCAD 3D Day 3 class. So in this session you are going to learn the tools like Presspull and the union option and what is about subtract and intersect. So here it is. So this is AutoCAD 3D. So in a previous video we have discussed about create tools like shapes and extrude, revolve and all. Now we are going to see edit options. In edit we have first one Presspull, union, subtract and intersect. Okay. So next, if anyone is interested to join the course like AutoCAD 2D, 3D and Revit architecture and 3ds Max, Google SketchUp, so you can contact me. This is my number. Okay, so you can directly message or you can contact me through the mail ID. Okay, so watch the video till the end and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and click on the bell icon for regular notifications. So now we get started. So first we need to change. So first we'll draft a 2D drawing. So before that we need to check the unit setup. So unit shortcut is UN enter. So here it is in decimal. So I will change the precision just for 0.00 and it is in millimeters. Click on OK. Now I will select rectangle shape, or you can directly enter through the shortcut command REC enter and click on the draw area, and now here we can draft the value. Okay, so first I will select 800 mm, click on tab key to get the other side. Next enter the direction of y-axis, so 1200 and enter. So rectangular shape has been created, right? So next I will take offset, O enter, and now I will give offset value as 10 mm from here to, so it is too short, so O enter, and I will enter for 50 mm, so it is okay. Now I will change this to the 3D. So like this we can change, and also we can need to change the visual style to conceptual. And here see, so this is a 2D, right? Now we need to enter, we need to add the thickness for this. We need in a 3D. So it should have height and thickness. So for that we can use either extrude and box option, also we cannot use. So we can go through with Presspull. Okay. So before that, what we have to do, we need to join this. Okay. So we can join this and select the Presspull option, and you can select here. Now see, it is getting highlighted. Click on the area to be extrude. Okay, now I will enter 45 mm and enter. So this is what we can do with the help of Presspull. Okay, so we can either select this one, and by using the rotate option, rotate gizmo, click on the rotate gizmo, and see, we need to select the axis and we need to enter the value. So either we can on ortho mode, so it will get exact 90 degrees. So enter the 90 degrees and enter. Okay, so like this we can create and we can edit the 3D model surface. Okay, I think now you understand what is the use of Presspull. Now I will give another example for Presspull. So I will go for top view and I will change the visual style to 2D wireframe. Now I am going to create one shape by using the polyline. So polyline shortcut is POL enter, and click on the draw axis and enter 1000 mm. Now downwards we can go with 450 mm, and again from here to here 1500 mm, again same. So we can go with 450, again I will give 1500, enter. So like this I will create one irregular shape. Okay, now this is 1800, enter. Now same 1000, 500, and again 450, 1500, 450, and now again 1000, and we can directly close. C, enter for close. Okay, now this is one irregular shape, right? Now I need to add convert into 3D model or 3D surface by using the Presspull directly. Okay, so select the Presspull option, and see here you need to select the region, inner region. Okay, not the outer boundary line. You need to select inner region and click on this, and see here you need to enter the height of extrusion. Okay, so I will on the visual style to the conceptual, and again go to the Presspull and select the inner region and enter the height, okay, of 500 mm. I'm going to enter. So like this we can create a 3D surface. Now we need to here I will go to the top view, and see here we need to create a circular halo shape or solid shape, so that we can create. Okay, for circle shortcut will be C, enter, and select any one midpoint. From here to here I'm entering the radius of 300 mm, and I will copy this from, so I will copy this one in a 3D view. So go to visual, move gizmo, so and click on the top and change this into 2D wireframe. So to copy this, and CO, enter, click on the midpoint, and just you can drag here, and you can exit and go to 3D view, and again you need to convert 2D wireframe to conceptual. So here by using the Presspull option, see this one, so I will this, either I can rise, I can create a solid surface, or I can down for to get halo space. So like this, so hold the shift key and you can rotate, you can see the halo space. I will show you once again. So select Presspull option and click on the circle, and now if you rise for the top, it gives height. So if you go for down, so it pulls. So then we can have halo space like this. Okay, same method I will following this method. So click on the Presspull option, so select the circle, sorry, so Presspull and click on the circle, and we need to rise. So I will rotate the object, then we can see. So here, so at an height of 1200 mm I can raise this. So I think now you understand what is the uses of Presspull option, right? So we can create like this options, 3D surface. Okay, and also now I will select one rectangular shape, select the rectangle shape, and click on to the draw the any one region of 4000, tab key, and 3500, and enter. Okay, now by using Presspull, raise the floor thickness of 150 mm. Okay, now you need to create a halo space for this. So how we are going to draft? Same, and again we need to select the rectangular, and we need to draft the particular region. So I will select 1250 mm, enter, again we need to select tab key, so again 1250 mm, same measurement, and now we can hit the enter button. Now select Presspull option and click on the region, and now we can use to down, so it gives halo space. If you select for the up, so it gives height, so like this. Okay, so if you select to the down, it will be hollow space. So I think now you understand what is Presspull, right? So I will delete this. Now we'll see what is union option. So what is the definition for union? Means it combines the selected 3D solids or 2D regions by adding. For it adds everything. So for example, see here. So this, if I select this 3D model, what will happen? So it is in not it is in unselection, right? So if I select union option to uh, to the entire object like this, and now I will select union. Okay, so either I can add like this and click on enter. If you select again, now what will happen? The entire 3D model has been created to one object. So that is the use of union option. Okay, now we'll see subtract. So subtract is nothing but same for union, but the thing is we need to change in addition place, we need to give enter subtract, means it minus. For example, I will draft one box shape, so like this. So one box, and also I will select one cylindrical shape. So from here to I will draft one cylindrical shape of 850 radius. Enter, and height we can give as we want. Okay, so I will draft once again. Select the cylindrical option. Now enter the radius 850, enter, and height. Okay, now go to the top view. Now just I will move to exact to the faces. So this shape should be moving towards exact shape. So M, enter. So I will intersect like this. So M, enter, and from here to exact to the space. Okay, now I need to subtract this region. So I want this should be there. So wait, I will show you in 3D. Okay, so I will just change to conceptual. Now see, this is my part A and part B. If you select I need to subtract the part B option, not part A. So first what I have to do is click on the subtract option. So part A should be selected, and now click on enter. Again go to part B and click on enter. What happened? So like this the objects will be created, 3D model surface. Okay, understood? So next we'll see about intersect option. So what is the use of intersect? Now for intersect means now we'll see about intersect. So first we need to select intersect option. Intersect is nothing but see whatever the part A and part B is going to intersect to this particular shape, right? So I want that shape. So where it is going to the joining, so that shape I want. So remaining part I need to delete. Okay, so for that we are going to select intersect option. So first select intersect part A and part B and click on enter. So now this shape is intersecting option, intersecting of 3D object. So if I want the resulted shape means, so we can go through intersect. So like this we can create our 3D models by using the edit options in AutoCAD 3D. Okay, I think now you understand, right? So what is Presspull and what is union and what is subtract and what is intersect. So this is a window frame, so which we have created first. So here if we want we can again copy this object. So CO, enter, and now again click on the corner point or end point, and here we can select this corner. So here we can create a 3D window frame. So like this we can create. Okay, and also, so this is for one drawing of 3D surface, 3D practice. So if you want, you can do it. Okay, now if you want to change the material color, so this is like in a white conceptual, right? Now if you want to change the color for different variation, so what we have to do, either we can apply materials or we can go through with layers option. For layers, is shortcut is LA, enter. So LA, enter, and here we can select or we can create a new layer, and I will change the color to any one color. We can select the blue or anything. I will select blue and click on OK and close. Now select this and go to the layers option, and here we can change our layer like this. Okay, so this is what, so I will change one color, so it has to be highlight, so I will select yellow, light yellow color. See, like this we can change our material colors, or we can go through it material option also, that we'll discuss in coming session. Okay, I think now you understand, right? So if you like the video, do subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.